In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ADR Study in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have the Pro version active, since some indicators and layout options work best there. Once your chart is open, choose the market and time frame you want to analyze, so the ADR levels you add will be relevant to what you're actually trading. Now, look toward the top of your chart for the Indicators button. This is usually found in the main toolbar running horizontally above your candles. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open up the Indicators and Strategies panel, which is where you can search for any built-in tools or community scripts you want to add to your chart. When the panel appears, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly inside that search box so your cursor is active. This is where you're going to type the name of the tool you want. In this case, we're looking for an ADR study. ADR stands for Average Daily Range, and it helps you see how much, on average, a market moves in a single day. Traders use this to understand volatility, set realistic profit targets, and avoid chasing price when the move for the day is mostly done. With the search box selected, slowly type in ADR or ADR Study. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list below based on what you're entering. You'll see different categories such as built-in indicators, community scripts, and possibly favorites if you've saved any in the past. Take a moment to look through the results and choose the ADR study that matches what you are looking for. Ideally, one that is clearly labeled and has good popularity, or a description that fits your style. Once you see the ADR study you want, click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your active chart. You should now see additional lines or levels overlaid on your candles, usually marking the average range the market tends to move during a session or day. If you hover over the indicator name in the chart legend, you can open its settings to fine-tune things like look back period, colors, and line styles. Adjust these so they are easy for you to read at a glance and fit with the rest of your chart layout. Finally, if you don't already have TradingView Pro, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link is a simple way to support the channel while unlocking more features, better chart layouts, and a smoother overall experience when working with tools like the ADR study.